So we've seen different conference calls after the earnings results. We've seen conference calls where Elon comes in and says, "Oh, things are terrible, business is awful, the interest rates are too high, moan and groan." We've seen that kind of a conference call. And then I think it was the same, wasn't it the second quarter last year, where he came out and he was all filled with enthusiasm and excitement, and the stock went up about 900 points during the call. So what kind of which Elon do you think we'll get this Wednesday?
I definitely think it's going to be the positive Elon because, robotaxi is rolling out. They just announced a new Model YL, a 6-seat Model Y. So that's going to introduce in China. So,
which we're going to talk about more in a minute.
More in a minute. So I don't see how it could be negative about that. Energy is all going. So everything that is coming to fruition. So it shouldn't be any reason to be negative.
Okay, so we should see the positive Elon on next Wednesday. So do you think we had a very good day today. Stock was up, I think, 3 or 4%. I haven't looked at it recently, but
321, yeah.
Yeah, 321. And so that could have been people realizing that if Cathie Wood's piling in, maybe it's time. That could have been partially the market had a pretty good day today after Trump said he wasn't going to fire Powell. So when people thought he was going to fire Powell, the market was going down. And then when he said, I'm not going to fire him, then it rebounded. So it could have been partially the market that was helping it go higher. And you can look at the trend line and it's pretty much the same as the market. So what do you think happens between now and then? Do you think people will start to pile in anticipation, or do you think they're going to wait to see what happens?
In terms of before the earnings call?
Yeah.
We're above certain key levels, right? Like we held back to 320. So we get to just a bit more positive stuff, just because of the new YL model. If they announce another vehicle, a compact Y, any of those shoes dropping or indication that they will drop, or the further expansion of the robotaxi areas, all those things will be things that will move the stock up, and then we're into more positive trading ranges, and it'll be institutions starting to get FOMO or short squeezes or stuff like that, right? Plus, the overall market can be going well because we have had the tax cut bill, which is stimulative, right? So there is, could be a 10% move just off that, and then if Tesla went with the market, there's a lot of things going well that would all tend to be indicating we'll move up. Yeah.